Hello everyone. So today I am launching a new playlist which is Azure Data Factory interview series. So this will be a very good uh, all the collections of interview questions asked in different MNCs and product based company regarding to Azure Data Factory. So if you prepare for this all these questions, then I am definitely sure you will able to clear any of the Azure or data engineering related interviews, right? So let's start. What is a pipeline in Azure Data Factory? So you can say that a pipeline is a logical grouping of activities that perform a unit of task together. So together the activities in a pipeline perform a task, right? So in the Azure Data Factory, if you see this image, this is a image for the extract, transform and load, right? So basically the pipeline is kind of similar kind of this kind of thing. So we are extracting data from the different kind of sources. So over if you see, the first data source is Excel is there, right? In the second data source is database table, you can say that. So all this kind of different activities, which is you can say that copy data activity, right? Copy data activity. So one copy data activity to extract data from the Excel file, right? And the another copy data activity is extract data from the database table. So two copy activities you can imagine in the uh, pipeline, right? Then what we are doing? Then we are loading it into the some kind of intermediate level of the data storage, and that is known as a, you can say that that is known as a staging layer, right? So in the staging layer only we are doing the some of the transformations, right? So after the transformation has been done, we are loading into the final destination table or destination layer, right? So that is a all kind, that is known as a ETL process. We are extracting some data from the different sources, doing some transformation in the middle or staging layer, and then after that we are loading into the final destination layer, right? So for this kind of process, we are creating a pipeline. We are creating a pipeline in the Azure Data Factory, right? So in which we can take multiple copy activities. Then we can also do performing the transformation in the staging layer, and then for loading also we are creating another copy activities, right? So that is only I have explained over here. Pipeline is a collection of activities to perform some group of activities or perform a group of tasks, right? So you can say that. Then another process over here is one, there is one another process in the Azure Data Factory which is extract, load and transform. So there are some times we are getting the data into the email as a attachment, right? Suppose there are some kind of data we are getting every day in the Excel file as a attachment in the email. So what we are doing it in that case, we are extracting the data from the email, then loading that, we are loading first into the this target table, and then after that we are doing some transformation and load it into the main destination table, right? So over here what kind of process it is, we are extracting data from the email attachment through logic apps. Then what will be the second step? Second step will be we are storing, or we can do say that we are doing some transformation, right? Doing some transformation into, sorry, the second step will be we are loading into the some kind of destination table, right? Destination database or table. Then again we are doing some transformation, and then again we are loading into main destination, right? So that will be all cleared transform data we are loading into the main destination table. In that process you can say that extract, load and transform, right? So we will cover many more Azure Data Factory interview questions in the coming video. If you like the explanation, please do like, comment, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.